Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix water heater pressure switch fail open, causes, symptoms and repair guide. Common symptoms: water heater won't start or heat water, pressure switch error code on the display, burner or ignition won't activate, fan runs but the unit doesn't fire, intermittent heating or frequent shutdown. Then common causes: blocked vent or exhaust pipe, clogged condensate drain, damaged or disconnected pressure switch hose, faulty pressure switch, blocked air intake, faulty blower fan, loose or damaged wiring, control board problem. Fix one is reset the water heater. Turn off the water heater using the power button or circuit breaker, then wait 5 minutes. Turn the power back on and check if the error clear. Second one is check the vent pipe. Inspect the exhaust vent for leaves, dirt, snow or dirt bird nest. Then remove any blockage, restart the heater. Third one is inspect the pressure switch hose. Turn off the power, then locate the small rubber hose connected to the pressure switch. Then make sure it is securely connected and not cracked, kinked or blocked. Replace the hose if it is damaged. Fourth one is clean the air intake. Check the air intake opening, then remove dust, dirt or debris that may restrict airflow. Then restart the heater. Fifth one is clean the condensate drain. Locate the condensate drain hose, then flush it with warm water to remove any blockage. Ensure water flows freely before restarting the unit. Thanks for watching.